Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss biotechnology in its application. Top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. What is the primary application of gene therapy? A. Separation of DNA fragments. B. Diagnostic test for AIDS. C. Correction of a gene defect. D. Allows for the cloning of genes. Answer. C. Correction of a gene defect. 2. Which bacterium produces the cry protein used in pest-resistant crops? A. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Propionibacterium shermani. D. Meloidigine incognitia. Answer. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. 3. What does ELISA stand for? A. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. B. Electrophoretic light scattering immunoassay. C. Enzyme-linked immunospecific assay. D. Electrophoretic ligand-based sequencing assay. Answer. A. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. 4. In gene therapy, what are germ cells? A. Somatic cells. B. Cells in the bone marrow. C. Sperm or eggs. D. Cells in the liver. Answer. C. Sperm or eggs. 5. Which of the following is an example of a biofertilizer? A. Bacillus thuringiensis. B. Rhizobium. C. Cry proteins. D. Insulin. Answer. B. Rhizobium. 6. What is the function of RNA interference, RNAi? A. Gene therapy. B. Separation of DNA fragments. C. Cellular defense against pathogens. D. Diagnostic test for AIDS. Answer. C. Cellular defense against pathogens. 7. Which of the following is a genetically modified crop plant resistant to cotton bollworms? A. Maize. B. Rice. C. Bt cotton. D. Wheat. Answer. C. Bt cotton. 8. In recombinant DNA technology, what is a vector? A. A DNA molecule that carries a gene of interest. B. An enzyme that cuts DNA. C. A protein that binds to DNA. D. A cell that produces a protein. Answer. A. A DNA molecule that carries a gene of interest. 9. What is the main purpose of micropropagation? A. Producing multiple copies of a plant from a single cell. B. Creating transgenic plants. C. Detecting pathogens in plants. D. Developing pest-resistant crops. Answer. A. Producing multiple copies of a plant from a single cell. 10. Which of the following is a product of recombinant DNA technology? A. Penicillin. B. Insulin. C. Antibiotics. D. Vitamins. Answer. B. Insulin. 11. What does the second critical research area of biotechnology provide? A. Optimum conditions for the catalyst. B. The pure form of catalyst. C. An impure form of catalyst. D. Purification of products. Answer. A. Optimum conditions for the catalyst. 12. An important objective of biotechnology in the area of agriculture is A. To decrease seed number. B. To produce pest-resistant varieties of plants. C. To increase phosphorus, nitrogen production. D. To reduce the number of plants. Answer. B. To produce pest-resistant varieties of plants. 13. A genetically modified crop is A. Mature crop. B. Infected crop. C. Raised to green manure. D. Transgenic crop. Answer. D. Transgenic crop. 14. Some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis can kill certain insects such as A. Lepidopterans. B. Scorpion. C. Fruit fly. D. Dragonfly. Answer. A. Lepidopterans. 15. Toxic content of B. thuringiensis is A. Protein in nature. B. Steroid in nature. C. Amino acid in nature. D. Alkaloid in nature. Answer. A. Protein in nature. 16. A method involving silencing of specific mRNA due to the binding of complementary dsRNA is called A. Electrophoresis. B. RNAi. C. rDNA technology. D. DNAi. Answer. B. RNAi. 17. In RNAi, the DNA is introduced into a host plant in such a way that it produces both A. Complementary DNA in mRNA. B. mRNA in sense RNA. C. Sense and antisense RNA. D. DNA in RNA. Answer. C. Sense and antisense RNA. 18. Formation of dash initiates RNAi process. A. dsDNA. B. ssDNA. C. ssRNA. D. dsRNA. Answer. D. dsRNA. 19. Dash vectors are used for the introduction of nematode-specific genes in the host. A. Bacterial. B. Viral. C. Agrobacterium. D. Meloidogyne incognitia. Answer. C. Agrobacterium. 20. Insect pest resistance Bt cotton plant was developed using A. Transgenic technology. B. Somaclonal variation. C. Micropropagation. D. Somatic hybridization. Answer. A. Transgenic technology. 21. A desirable change in the genotype of an organism is obtained by A. mRNA formation. B. DNA replication. C. Protein synthesis. D. rDNA technology. Answer. D. rDNA technology. 22. From which animals were insulin obtained in the early days? A. Insects. B. Lizard and snakes. C. Cats and dogs. D. Cattle and pigs. Answer. D. Cattle and pigs. 23. The polypeptide chains present in insulin is connected by A. Ionic bonds. B. Covalent bonds. C. Disulfide bonds. D. Hydrophobic interactions. Answer. C. Disulfide bonds. 24. In mammals insulin is secreted as A. Enzyme. B. Lipid. C. RNA. D. Prohormone. Answer. D. Prohormone. 25. Insulin in prohormone form contains an extra stretch called A. B peptide. B. G peptide. C. C peptide. D. S peptide. Answer. C. C peptide. 26. Dash in 1983 used recombinant DNA technology to produce insulin. A. Eli Lilly. B. Emily Lilly. C. Lily Rose. D. Amy Sanger. Answer. A. Eli Lilly. 27. C peptide is removed during A. Initiation phase of insulin. B. Maturation phase of insulin. C. Termination phase of insulin. D. Elongation phase of insulin. Answer. B. Maturation phase of insulin. 28. A person with the hereditary disease can be cured with the help of A. Gene therapy. B. Cloning. C. Dialysis. D. Chemotherapy. Answer. A. Gene therapy. 29. The inserted normal gene takes over the function of A. Correct gene. B. Right gene. C. Non-functional gene. D. Functional gene. Answer. C. Non-functional gene. 30. In which year was the first clinical gene therapy given? A. 2010. B. 1990. C. 1995. D. 2000. Answer. B. 1990. 31. In the first step of gene therapy, dash from the blood of the patient are grown in a culture outside of the body. A. Red blood cells. B. Lymphocytes. C. Neurons. D. Platelets. Answer. B. Lymphocytes. 32. Introduction of gene isolate from bone marrow producing ADA should be introduced at what age to permanently cure ADA? A. Teenage. B. Adulthood. C. Old age. D. Embryonic stage. Answer. D. Embryonic stage. 33. What kind of disease can be cured with the help of gene therapy? A. Infectious. B. Hereditary. C. Physiological. D. Acute. Answer. B. Hereditary. 34. Dash is an alternative method to cure ADA deficiency. A. Bone marrow transplantation. B. Cloning. C. Hybridization. D. Sequencing. Answer. A. Bone marrow transplantation. 35. In gene therapy, the gene defects are cured in A. Child or adult stage. B. Child or teenage stage. C. Child or old stage. D. Child or embryo stage. Answer. D. Child or embryo stage. 36. Animal cell culture technique used maximally used these days. A. To prepare edible proteins. B. To prepare insulin. C. For interferon production. D. For vaccine production. Answer: D. For vaccine production. 37. A collection of methods that allows correction of a gene that has been diagnosed in child embryo is called A. Cloning. B. Gene therapy. C. Chemotherapy. D. Dialysis. Answer: B. Gene therapy. 38. 95% transgenic animals are A. Sheep. B. Rabbits. C. Pigs. D. Mice. Answer: D. Mice. 39. Animals that have had their DNA manipulated to possess and express an extra, foreign, gene are known as A. Transgenic animals. B. Animals. C. Infected animals. D. Bt animals. Answer: A. Transgenic animals. 40. Transgenic mice are being developed for use in testing the safety of vaccines before they are used on A. Cattle. B. Humans. C. Pigs. D. Monkeys. Answer: B. Humans. 41. Chemical safety testing is also known as dash testing. A. Transgenic. B. Therapeutic. C. Physical. D. Safety. Answer: D. Safety. 42. The genes carried by transgenic animals make them more toxic substances as compared to non-transgenic animals. A. Strong. B. Sensitive. C. Infective. D. Resistant. Answer: B. Sensitive. 43. To study the effects of the incorporated genes, the dash animals are subjected to toxic substances. A. Infectious. B. Normal. C. Transgenic. D. Non-transgenic. Answer: C. Transgenic. 44. GEAC stands for A. Genetic Ethical Approval Committee. B. Genetic Engineering Active Commission. C. Genetic Ethical Active Commission. D. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Answer: D. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. 45. India alone has dash varieties of rice. A. 100,000. B. 200,000. C. 20,000. D. 10,000. Answer: B. 200,000. 46. Basmati rice is distinct for its unique A. Shape and flavor. B. Taste and flavor. C. Aroma and flavor. D. Vitamins and flavor. Answer: C. Aroma and flavor. 47. Who are the major sufferers of biopatents? A. Traditional users. B. Traditional knowledge. C. Bioresources of the country of origin. D. Farmers. Answer: A. Traditional users. 48. GEAC is set up by A. Indian government. B. American government. C. Israel government. D. Australian government. Answer: A. Indian government. 49. Various measures taken to prevent any risks to normal organisms from transgenic organisms are known as A. Biosafety. B. Patent. C. Biopatent. D. Biopiracy. Answer: A. Biosafety. 50. The Indian Parliament has recently cleared the dash amendment of the Indian Patents Bill. A. 8. B. First. C. Third. D. Second. Answer: D. Second. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.